How to review news you searched for on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review news you searched for on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then click activity log. And now just click look at actions and auto activity. And here you will find the news you searched for. Click on it, and here you can review news you've searched for on Facebook Lite, and you can clear it if you want. Just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.